Hi DGCNs, school management, college or institution management application software are most commonly used software nowadays, and such web applications are on huge demand. At DGCN on this channel, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which you can start a digital business and get a handsome earning from it. In this video, we are going to explore a perfect solution for school management application software, and that is coming through a script. And you are going to be a solution provider of this software. This means you are going to set up a digital business of providing school management, college management, school institution management, or even university management solution through this script. We are going to overview the iNiLabs School Express. This is a dedicated script-based application software for school management system, and surprisingly it is available just for $29. But yes, we need to understand its complete overview and the system flow so that you may be very confident about this application and start a business using this application software. So let us start by exploring the admin dashboard, super admin dashboard. I am going to show you multiple logins so that you may understand the complete features and the data flow, how the system is going to work and how you are going to deploy. So everything in this video, don't miss any part of this video. And I wish to welcome all new visitors of this channel if they are really serious about setting up their digital business and working smartly on the web. And I'm also thankful to all existing subscribers and regular visitors. So let us start with the dashboard of this wonderful school management application software. So it is very clear and evident that this script is an installable script, and you can host this script at your hosting and a selected domain without having any specific technical knowledge. You will get all the documentation how you are going to handle and run this application software. And the best part of this software is it is available in the Android version as well. So you are going to provide both of the version, like on the web version and the Android version. So Android version also works very fine, and it has all the features like multi-type of marking system, advanced invoicing management system, advanced attendance management system, and there are many like popular online payment gateway. You can configure powerful reporting management system. In fact, you can get 25 plus reports, payroll management, online examination management, teacher and user management, and even advanced website. SMS gateway is also here. So I'm going to show you super admin, the teacher, the student login, everything. So let us start with this super admin, and I am here at the dashboard, which is showing the most of the things what is going inside the system. So this is the basic report, and I can see the date wise report is also available. Simply all the things, how many students and are present and absent, and the income expense, the parents, the students, and all. So this is basically the simple stack of inside the system, Okay, to start with the solution, first of all, as a super admin, you have to make the general settings. So in the general settings screen, we have all the options for configuring and white labeling the solution. Being a white label solution, you can simply change the site title and all the details on this general setting screen. And even you can activate the license code and auto update features, and the attendance and CAPTCHA enabling system is also here. And the backend theme setting is also available in the general setting section. So you can select your desired color. A front end setting is the front end interaction through which the students are and the parents and the teachers and everyone going to interact with the system. Like this is the front end, and so I'll show you everything. The front end configuration, the login menu is enabled, the teacher email and the teacher phone and all such basic settings, and the video URL, Google Map settings, features section, and the admission section. So this is for front end website. All these details can be displayed on the front end website. On the next screen, we have payment settings, because we are going to interact in the system and we are going to collect the payment setting, and somehow in the demo version, the payment setting is not visible, but yes, it is available for all major payment gateways. So you can configure the payment gateways without having without writing any line of code. So it is simply configurable through the APIs. Similarly, you have SMS settings, and in the demo versions, it is not being shown, and the email settings and mark setting options are also here. So in the mark setting, you can simply set the mark type like class exam wise, the second semester, the semester, and the exam attendance grade. The distribution of marks depending on. So in the first semester, the weightage of the exam, attendance, class test, and assignments and everything. So you can set all these things in the mark setting, and it is very important thing because the system is also offering you the examination management system. So mark setting is integral part of examination management system. Okay. So now I'm coming back to the dashboard, and I will take you to the student section, what you can set in the student. So you can certainly add new students here, and the add new student screen gives all the details of particular students. You have to fill all the details of a student like name, guardian, admission date, date of birth, gender, and all these details can be filled up. And for the student's credentials can be created here, like username and the password can be filled here so that a student may access the system. So student login is also being created on this screen. Similarly, we have parent settings, so we can check the parents and the details, and we can even add in the details, guardian name, father's name, mother's name, and the parents, housewife, and all these details can be updated here. In the teacher settings screen, we have all the teacher details. We can add new teachers, and all the details of the teacher can be filled here, and further their credentials can be created. It is very simple. And next is the user screen. The user for this particular system. The user like multiple level of admins who are going to handle the system like moderator, receptionist, librarian. So you can add a new user depending upon your requirement, and further you can fill the user details and create new users for this system. In the academic settings, we have the class settings. So we can create new classes. So I'll show you this one. So this is very simple, like class numeric and the teacher name, the head of class, and the note. So class 1. Similarly, we have section settings, so we can add a new section to the class and map the class with the section, class 1 and the section, and we mapped here, and the subjects. You might be observing the system is working super fast, so add a new subject options are here, pass mark, final mark, subject name and all. So subject type optional, mandatory, and the class related to that particular subject. So simple, and accordingly assignment here. So we can add new assignments to the subjects and the class and the routine of the class. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So add routine options are here. So we can select the year, the class, section, subject, day, teacher, starting time, ending time, and room, and we can add routine. In the attendance module, we have a student attendance management system, like we can add a student attendance, like we can select class, the select section, and the date, particular date, and attendance can be loaded. However, there is no data here, but yes, it will certainly work because this is just a demo. Okay, so this is the attendance. So in the attendance system, you can simply select the students and mark attendance like present, and you can simply mark the attendance. So it is more than easy to marking attendance, and there are many type of attendance like marking system, like late present with excuse, late present, and even absent. So everything is there. Let us move to the exam management. So it is going to be important. So add an exam. This is exam adding a screen, and the exam schedule can be added here. Add exam schedule gives us option to add date, section date, and the from to. Similarly, we can set grades to the exam, like add a new grade option is here, group name, grade point, grade name, mark from, mark up to, and notes. Exam attendance is a separate thing because exam is being taken separately. So exam attendance can be marked in the similar manner as we are marking. The mark management. After exam, the mark is important. So this is mark, and we have already seen the mark labeling. I mean, how mark is. So these are the marks like for class 1, first semester, section A, English, and the students are here. So simply marks can be updated here according to the achievements of the students, and further add marks option are here. Okay, this is very easy to use interface. And the mark distribution is again available. Mark value, so exam value, the attendance as we seen in the general setting, attendance, class test. So further it can be edited as required. And overall it should be 100% of it is over. Once the exam is over, mark is done, the students move to next class. So this is the promotion system. Class 1, normal, advanced. So we have two options, English pass mark, or if we are willing to promote the students according to their achievements, so we can go to the advanced model, or in the normal model, all the students will be promoted to the screen. So view summary option is here, and select a student to enroll same class for promotion next classes. And for next enrollment, a student academic year will be changed, but class will be unchanged. And for promotion, class and academic both will be changed. For promotion, roll and section automatically generate based on a student highest marks. So this is automated system. Once you promote, the student will move to next classes with the roll number and the section. So it is all getting automatically and promote to class 2 and enroll to class 1 as well. Okay, so this is very wonderful thing that you can do all these things automatically from the system in single or few clicks, and it is really going to be very helpful in handling the management of examination, students and marks and promotion system and all these things. So it is, I think this is the main system in the examination, mark, attendance, the academic, so for in the school management, because all those things like a student login and attending, the parent login and the homework remains in all application software. But I can see the exam, attendance and mark system are specifically designed and simple to use in the system. So this is very important. If you are using a system and that is simple to use, it is going to be successful. Okay. In the next module, we have messages, so we can broadcast messages and the conversation, drafts, and the send options and the trans options, like we are configuring the email, the SMS. So message broadcasting screen is here. Similarly, we have media. So create folder for class. So class related media can be uploaded here, and that can be further used. The mail, SMS configuration and the system is here. So this is the mail receiver users. So you can create group of users and students or parents or whatever for sending and broadcasting mail. There is another system that is very good in this application software, the online examination module, which is rarely available in other systems. So this is online examination module, and we can create online examination like add question group. So we can create question groups, like we can create titles and question group. Question level can be set like easy, medium, hard. The question bank can be prepared. This is very important. So add question bank, and further I'll show you the screen of adding question group, the difficulty level, the question can be edited with the devising editor. So I mean, like you are working on a Word file, so every type of question can be edited with the symbols, and the mark can be added here. The question explanation is also getting added here, so that everything is there, and the file can be uploaded just in case if it is required. Hints, marks, and the single answer options, the total questions for and options, and the correct answer. So this is very good, uploading question to the system, and it is going to be helpful forever in the coming examination. So it is going to like added like bank. So online examination module are here, so published. So online examination can be published here so that it can be attempted by the students from the front end. Instructions So exam instructions can be added here, and the take exam options are here. So in the demo schedule, take examination is here. So demo, in the demo, it is not available somehow. But yes, it will be available from the front end. The payroll is for staff and the school or college, you can say. So salary template is here. Basic salary and salary template can be added here. So on which ground salary is being calculated, like salary grades, basic salary, and overtime rate and all. Hourly template is also here for creating salary, manage salary options, and select roles. So moderator and the salary can be managed here. Further edit mode is also available. Similarly, make payment options, so directly to the bank account of staff. So make payment option is here. So directly gross salary and all these things can be selected, and the amount can be decided, and further salary can be paid directly from here. And that will be transferred to their bank account automatically as per assignment or the payment method, like cash, check, or whatever. Okay, so online transfer is not available. I'm sorry. So it is two mode, in the cash or the check. So add payment option will generate all the details of salary, and the overtime is also here, just in case. So payroll is again here. The asset management is for something like purchasing and handling the assets inside the school, like, and this is vendor who are supplying the assets, and further the vendor details can be added here, email details. Similarly, the location of vendors, the asset, so location of asset, where it is laying. So storeroom, the conference room, and the classroom. So it can be marked. So asset categories can be created, instruments, sports, and all such category, whatever is applicable for a particular student. What are the assets? The cricket ball and shortage, and the details of assets can be seen here, like serial, title, cricket ball, status in shortage. So there can be different status, condition, youth, the category, and the location. And so all the assets can be seen from this dashboard only, and all the assets can be handled as well. So purchase new asset option is also here. So add new purchase, the requisition for purchase can be handled from here. That is again good. So next module is inventory management for the school. Inventory management is also having almost similar screen like category and the product that. So these are the categories of inventory, the product that is required or the going to be managed in the inventory. So, and the warehouse where it is being stored, or the supplier, who is the supplier of this. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so this is the front-end website. Somehow it came here. So this is the front-end website I wish to show you, and it is really very good. And the front-end users are going to interact with the system. Like, this is the website, and it is available from the backend also. So it is like you are going to have the system with a website, and this is very wonderful website, and that I can see here. So we were discussing the inventory, so it is complete now, sale, purchase and all. Leave application is another thing that can be very important for a school management system. So this is leave category, study leave, holiday leave, sick leave and all. And leave assignments and the leave apply forms. So add leave application option is here. So this is the complete application folder, the format, and the leave applications can be seen in totality here. Gmail live classes, just in case if it is required, it is available. And the tutorials. So tutorials can be added for further readings, and in the tutorial, further materials can be loaded, like public, the science, cover photo, the file that is included for the tutorial. Great, and I feel everything is here that I never assumed. So Zoom meeting. Again, this is a rare thing, and the Zoom live classes can be integrated directly here. So since the COVID time, the online classes are very trending. So Zoom classes can be published directly from here. So update Zoom setting and all. And the child activities category. What are activities for child? Like activities, the these are the activities for childs, like activities can be created for childrens and they can access from the front end website and all. This is really very good. And if I can track that activity, so events can be here and all. Okay, great. Now I'm moving to next screen, child care. Okay, so this is good. The library modules gives all the options of library members, the books, and add a book option is here. So book author, subject code, price, quantity, and a number, and the issue and return. This is the most important thing for library. And the issue a book option is here, so it can be issued. Books can be issued. Ebooks options, again, this is a very, very rare thing that is available in the system. So ebooks can be uploaded like the library module. Transport management. Transport management, again, very important in case the school is offering its own transport route, and the name of vehicle, route, fare, and note can be created here. And further, in the transport management, the member of transport can be added, like all the students who are going to avail the transports. Okay, so next is the hostel module. In the hostel module, we have hostels, name of hostels, and we can add how many hostels are available for the particular school hostel category and the hostel members. Sponsorship is the thing that is not very commonly being used, but yes, a sponsorship candidates can be seen here. The sponsors and the sponsorship from where it is getting from. Okay, great. So add a sponsorship screen gives us the option where we can add the sponsors. Account module, integral part always for any online application, like this is for a school. So we can create new fee types, how many fee types are applicable for the fee collection, and similarly the invoice of fee and the status of the fee. So this is very important screen, and it is one screen is giving all the access, like we can check all the invoices in short. We can view the invoices, like this is one of the invoice, this is the invoice, and further we can go to the invoices, and a delete invoice can be deleted, edited, or the payment can be collected from this invoice, like this is the payment collection screen as well. So add a new payment, select payment method, like there are different payment methods, online or cash, or so from the school counter the payment can be collected directly. So I'm going to show you the reception screen, don't worry. So how the receptionist or the account modules, accountants are going to work in the system. So this is super admin. This is why it is showing everything. So going back to the invoice again. So this is the screen where we are going to control the payments and all. We have all these options. Okay, great. So invoice is done. Payment history, what has been paid by the students. So it can be seen again. And the edit mode is also available. Expenses, if it is being done through the school, so expense management, the income, just in case if there is any additional income, so it can be handled from here. The global payment, select class, like class is selected and a student, and if there is any global payment, like this is the global invoice number total, so one payment applicable to complete classes, book fine. So like if it is a fine, how you are going to apply the fine, so it is applicable to all students. So global payment can help in applying fine, like this is waiver, fine, and total college, total pay and all. Okay, great. Announcements are another part that is very helpful in making announcement, like school notices, events, and the holidays. So this can be done from the system itself. Next is the reporting module, which is really very important from the management information system. The class reports, class can be selected and the report can be generated in a single click. Class teacher and the number of students, total subject assigned, and the subject and teachers, the fee details, the fee collection types and all. So report can be generated in single clicks. A sponsorship report, a student report, ID card report, admit card report, routine report, exam schedule report, attendance overview report, library books report, library card report, library book issue report, terminal report, the merit stage reports, the tabulation sheet report, the mark sheet report, progress card report, student session report, online examination report, online exam question report, online exam question answer report, online admission report, certificate report, leave application report, product purchase report, product sale report, and similarly there are many reports that is being handled through the system. So all reports can be collected directly here, can be generated from here. Next module is the online admission. So from the front end, the school can take online admission. So if online admission is going through the system from the front end, the details can be visible here. Like if we are selecting yes. So this is online details of online, and the approve or view or the waiting and the decline. So if a request is coming from the online for the admission, so all can be handled from this screen. And visitor information coming in the class or coming in the school, so visitor can be handled from here. This is for basically reception. In the next module, we can see the administrator. Like administrator can handle the major things. Like academic year can be created here on the administrator screen, the student group, and the complaint if it is any there. So user type, moderator, select user, and complaint can be added in the system. Certificate template can be created here, like this is certificate template, and this is very important. So through these short code certificates can be generated, like the name of certificate, the theme can be selected here, the main middle text, and this is the short codes that can be used directly if it is required for pulling the data from the system. And the top heading line, the heading left, and all these sections can be created, and the background image can be browsed, and further it is going to be going to edit a template, and it can be further used for certification purposes. So this is very important. System admin can be created, like you are not the only one, might be. So you can add new system admins as required for handling the system, and reset password options. So you can select as a super admin, you can do anything, and you can reset the password and all. And the social links can be integrated here, like teacher, and all the social links can be handled from here for teachers and all. The social links I have shown, mail and SMS templates can be created, like this is a template, user, select user, tags, and all. The template can be added for the users. Import option is here, like add teachers. So in the group, the users, teachers, parents, and students can be imported. And the backup option, again, this is very important since it is an online system. So regular backup is always advised. So download SQL backup can be used here for taking local backups. A role can be assigned here. So what moderator can do with the system. So update the role option gives us what are the access area for the particular user type. Permissions according to the role. So it is totally configurable how the specific role is going to handle the system. Like if it is parents, so what are the limitations and how the parents are going to handle the system. Like a moderator can add a new parent, edit parent, delete parent, or view parents. So this is control of all the screens of all users that we can assign the permission, and further we can remove or add permissions as required. This is a very important screen. During the runtime, it is really very important, and in the handling, it is really very helpful. So add-ons are here just in case if you need any add-ons. So it can be provided by the solution provider itself. So add-ons, I shown you. The update, if any update is available, this can be done from this screen. So administrator is going to handle main and core part of the system. And finally, the front end. That is, this is the front end, this is the website, and this is the front end. And the front end post categories can be handled here. and the post, the pages, like we have created some pages like home, about, notice board, admissions, so all can be seen here. These are the pages, and these pages can be handled from the backend here. Like if we are updating the data, these are the images and the text that is being displayed on the front end. So this is basically front end website management. Menu can be handled and all. So I believe I have shown you all the screen, and all these screens are presenting a wonderful and super fine advanced school management system. And this is the complete flow of the system. And now I'm going to show you another login so that you may assume how this data is being thrown in the system. Now this is a login for teachers. So teacher can access students, parents, and academic attendance, exam marks, so all the related things to the teacher. And the screen are same, but the limitations and the permissions are different. So you can easily assume how the teachers are going to. So this is a separate login. And once you create the teacher, you are creating the teacher, the users and the user credentials are going to be created automatically as I shown during the admin screens. So teacher attendance and all. So this is the teacher screen. You can see these are the modules, activity, category, library, hostel, announcement, report, and all these access are available to a specific teachers. So a student login is here, and the student can handle that and can see the teachers, the academic details like subject, syllabus, and all. For a student, this is a very interactive module, and the routine for the classes, like this is the classes and the routine. So this is the assignment, and for the attendance of this particular student. So what is the attendance status, present, or what had been marked by the class teacher. And students can check the examination schedule, marks, all the marks that have been collected or availed are awarded to the students, and the PDF review, print review, and the send PDF to the mail option are here. So PDF review is here. So this is automated generated PDF marks of the student. Similarly, messages, the media that is available for the students, the take exam options, like this is online examination that we created in the backend. The take exam option can give us the online exam options to the students. Leave apply, the Gmail live classes, the tutorials that is available for the student, and the Zoom live classes can be connected directly from here. The activities for the students, and the library, the books issued to the student, and the transport. So the route and the route fee, hostel if it is being availed by the students, invoices, and further payment can be made from here. Like if students and the parents are willing to make the payment through the online options, so it can be done directly from here. So from the student login, all these facilities are available. Coming to next, this is parent login, and again, the parent has separate login. If a student is hiding something from their parents, the logins are different for the parents, and the parents can check the details calendar wise, and the dashboard giving basic ideas like event, books, teachers, and holidays. A student's access, a parent can have one or two or even three as per their kids, and all the kids can be mapped here, can be seen here. The teachers, the academic, the subject, the student attendance, exam schedule, mark, media, online examination, and all. These are all these sections, almost similar, but yes, the parent login is different. And this is the screen for accountant. So accountant, so as I said, the permission can be changed. So this is different login for accountant, and accountant have inventory, the activities, and the sponsorship, and the account details like fee type, payment history, expense, and all. So all these screens we have seen in the admin screens, but the permissions and the logins are different. Similarly, this is the login for the librarian. So this, of course, for a librarian, the modules are less and the basic things are being displayed here. The books part and the subject, media and the library part is here. So for librarian, this is the only thing that is accessible, but rest of things can be allowed or disallowed as per requirement. And finally, this is a screen for receptionist. So receptionist can handle multiple things, again, student attendance, teacher attendance even, and the media, leave apply, announcement, and the visitor information is basically important for a receptionist. Okay, so I have shown you all the logins and all great screens that is available inside the system. All modules are very, very wisely created, and all system flow is really very great. So you can assume how the system is working now, and the iNiLabs, this is iNiLabs School Express, and this is a dedicated school management system. And surprisingly, so I'm saying surprisingly, it is available for $29, and you can simply buy the solution through the video description link at codecanyon.net. And we are going to help you in setting up the system, so you don't need any technical skill. You'll get all these things live for your uses, and you are directly going to run the system. So as an administrator, you can sell the system. As a school administrator, you can run the system for your particular school. As a business module, you can run this application as SaaS module. So it is a totally configurable and easy to use white label solution. And Android app, you can check at your own. So it is also working fine. So you can simply calculate a front-end website, the complete school management system with an Android app just for $29. So it is negligible. Further, you just need to expense some amount of money for hosting and domain, and it is going to complete within $100. So it is a wonderful solution that you can sell, that you can use, and it is going to be in SaaS model if you are using SaaS model, or you can use for your school, college, or institution as well. Front-end website is also very awesome. It is working very fast, so loading speed is really very nice. So I am very impressed with the speed of this website, and all the sections works very fine. So why you are waiting for? Just start creating. Just buy the solution through the video description link and start a business of providing this school management system, or automate your school or education institute. In the next video, I'm coming with more solutions, and you are certainly going to set up your digital business and earn a handsome amount of money. Till then, goodbye. Don't miss to subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.